In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix WhatsApp stock unloading screen. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or also you can give a first restart to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. In case your VPN is enabled, disable it. Since using VPN can interrupt with WhatsApp's connection to servers, next force close WhatsApp. So launch it, close it completely and again reopen it. This might resolve the issue. Next, clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings. Go to general. Click on iPhone storage. Now from the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again to confirm it. This will clear cache and cookies for the app. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next, check for app updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, reset your network settings. For that, close this, launch settings. Go to general. Click on transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset network settings and complete the process. After trying these steps, reopen WhatsApp and it should load normally again without getting stuck. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.